Yo, what's good? So, yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a hot minute. Since I told myself I didn't have time, I chose to make time. It is 6:30 in the morning, and we just got to get this done. You know, I've been asked when my next video is coming out because I started off good and then I took like a hiatus. I think it's been like over a month, but nonetheless, we are back. We are pushing to be more consistent. But enough about that. Y'all here for a haircut. Here's a haircut. It's a haircut I did on the Every Haircut Challenge. Now I had the opportunity to record the haircut by itself as a tutorial. So make sure you guys let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Like the video, please. And then, of course, hit that subscribe button. And also, if you could be so kind to share the video, because we're trying to reach as many people as possible. So appreciate you guys who are tuning in, especially after such a long hiatus. But appreciate y'all, and here it is.
All right, man, this is strange, man, to be back here. Anyways, as you can see, we putting in that ball guide with the skeleton FX, trying to make sure that guideline is symmetrical all the way around and consistent with the shape of his head. Man, this haircut is tough. I don't know what it is about this cut, but it always takes me a lot longer than it should. I noticed that I'm not the quickest barber to begin with, but dang, this dude, man. Luckily, he's cool. And as I've been learning and growing, you know, starting to figure things out, and want to make sure I'm 100% sure on what I'm doing first. So as you can see, I'm grabbing a section down the middle to have my guideline, start my guide, just to make sure that we're consistent on both sides. I've actually took a one-on-one class with Basio, and man, I wish I recorded this video after the one-on-one class, because he put me onto a lot of game. As you can see, I'm trying to make sure I keep the weight in the crown. I don't want to cut it too short. I want to keep that fullness and, you know, style that doesn't look bad. So now we're here with the blade open, making our first panel. Making sure it's a nice clean panel. Then we're gonna go in with the one open and make another panel, just so I can kind of see how the fade is gonna go. I did all the guidelines first in this video, just to give myself a better idea. I've been troubleshooting with this haircut, so yeah. So as you can see, we're starting to work on the first panel, that ball to blade open, and we're just knocking it down. What do you guys think are your toughest cuts? What do you find yourself having trouble with? And then also, what are some of your favorite cuts to do? Like, what do y'all love doing? What kind of haircuts do you get excited about? These kind of haircuts that are challenging, they excite me, because I used to be in a place in barbering where I used to be stressed out so much about what kind of haircuts I get, or this, that, and the third. And now I love the challenge, because it's a lot easier for me to get through them. I have an answer now. Sometimes it takes a lot longer to get the answer, but nonetheless, I do have an answer. And you know, that's exciting, because you can notice little points in time with your own growth. And I think that's dope, and I think we all need it to understand that we may not be where we want to go, but we definitely are in a better place than what we've been. Sorry for the ramble, but as you can see, we're still working on the fade. I got that half guard going in, trying to clean it up. You obviously probably already saw that I have the description of what I'm doing at the bottom of the beginning of each step. How do y'all feel about this angle? I did a lot of homework. I studied some different YouTube barber videos, and then just still being not a barber student, but a student of the game. I like this up close and personal angle because it's easier for you to see what's going on. Also, it's more comfortable recording because I have a monopod that's standing right in front of me. Sometimes it's tough to get an angle that doesn't block what you're doing without the monopod. So here we are. We're still working on this side. Man, bro, I know I say this probably every video, but y'all really got to start recording y'all haircuts. Because like as I'm watching this, there's key things that I would have done differently. Like I probably would have like faded down. Yeah, I probably would have faded down because I was scared to raise the fade too high. But bro, he has so much space to fade, and it's like almost half stepping. Like you can't be scared to go in. As you can see, he's still trying to work out that line. Bro, this is funny. Damn, dude. So yeah, you can see we're still going at it. Goodness gracious, dude, what are you doing? Don't get me wrong, the cut comes out fire, but dang. Oh man. Sometimes you gotta be honest with yourself, but yeah, this is taking too long. So we're just trying to make sure the gradients is right. And what I mean by gradients is that a fade is supposed to be from its lightest point to its darkest point. And as you go up, it needs to be consistent across the head. You don't want there to be dark spots or light spots or whatever. So we're just trying to make sure we have a nice consistent cut. And bro, so as I said before, I sit next to Yo Fonz at the shop, and man, he's been killing the tutorial game. And he's been helping me out too, because he has a lot more actually videographer experience and understands lighting and angles and that kind of stuff a lot better. And man, the work that he's been putting out, for one, has been crazy. So if you don't already have his channel, make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. But nonetheless, we've been working together, man, to just try to get quality content out for you guys. So I'm excited for what the future holds. Like I said, I'm trying to take an oath for consistency and not wait 6 to 8 weeks in between to drop videos, because it's not good for me and it's not good for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Bro, this dude's head is so tough. But the crazy thing is like it'll take me a lot longer to cut one side. But once I get this side done, I can knock the other side out so fast. Probably in like 2 or 3 minutes. Just because, I don't know. I guess I figured out all the trial and error on one side, and I just go to the next side, and then boom, I already know what's up. What are some things y'all would have done differently? So y'all are in it, right? Y'all are watching. What are some things that you've seen thus far that you would have just done differently? Maybe you guys got some tips for me as to what you guys would have done for it to be more efficient. That would be dope. Like, bro, the barber subconscious or conscious or whatever you want to call it is crazy. So I'm probably talking mad crap to myself right now. The moment I switch to my clipper, I know I'm talking mad shit. I know I'm talking mad stuff. It's coming together. That joint looking nice. Oh my god. Yeah, that looks nice. It's coming together. Shape is there. For sure. Didn't compromise his parietal ridge or his crown. And bro, it's so important to make sure you stay consistent with that. Bro, I can't even lie. I think, unfortunately, tragedy has a way of, I don't want to say sparking things inside of us, but seeing things in a different light. And this video was recorded, and I have been working on this video probably it has been sitting in my Final Cut for like 4 or 5 weeks. As sad as it sounds. But it is February 4th. And as you guys already know, Kobe Bryant had passed away. And I was actually in California at the time. And just feeling the energy and thinking about what he stood for kind of let you know that nothing is promised. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can bust your tail and you can be the best at this and that, but it could all be taken from you like that. So it kind of built a sense of urgency within myself to accomplish as much as I can accomplish every single day, because you never know what tomorrow holds. You don't even know what today brings. You know what I mean? So let's just work. You know what I mean? As long as you're taking forward steps. I mean, even if you get knocked down, you just gotta do. Just do. Everything else will take care of itself. Don't be scared to fail. Fail fast, and just get it done. And regardless of the speed up, we are flying through this side. I don't care what nobody says. I don't care how fast this video is sped up. You can just tell by the steps that this side is going way more smooth than the other side. As you can see, still see that line. Boom. We're gonna knock that baby out. We're gonna get back to it. Damn, I should get this dude a mohawk next time. What y'all think about how it looks right now? Just clean up the back, keep the V, give him a mohawk. This haircut's coming out fire with the oh, bro, them skeleton FX trimmers are the truth. It's tough, man. Let's go. Bro, I'm excited. Bro, I'm just super excited. Dude, let's go. bro. So we're heading to Brown and Brothers this week. If y'all catch this video, and y'all are going out there, make sure y'all come to the booth. Tune 45 will have a booth. I'm gonna be out there, and then make sure y'all come through and say what's up, bro. I cannot wait to cut his hair again. Let's go. And make sure y'all let me know what would y'all like to see in the future. What are some things you guys look for when you guys are watching these barber videos, or just videos in general, man? What are some things y'all look for when y'all lock in? So I'm gonna make sure that I'm not just doing what I want. Make sure we giving. You know what I'm saying? Putting some product in, blow drying. Sorry for this angle. I didn't even check my camera. Thought I was good, but obviously was not good. I'm about to line them up. Boom. See my power clip. It's wireless charging. If you guys are wondering, those clips enable your clipper, your trimmer to like you won't have to plug them up to a cord to charge them. You could just lay them on the Tune 45 power mat. So while I'm fading him out, my trimmers are on the mat charging. And then right now my clippers are on the mat charging for the next cut. So that way you don't really ever have to think about it. It's just always charging. That's coming together. So, there we go. There it is. So, it's been a long break, but we are back, trying to drop a video a week. I will see y'all next time. I'm out.